Hello everyone, Sam is here from myforexmagicweb.com. Making this video after a long time. Even the last week market recap I didn't make. So let me just show quickly the last week trades, and then I'll cover the this week trades. So the last week, before the last week, started 28th December, and here's the pound USD the 20-minute short entry here for 100 pip. Let's go over quickly, fast. And on the 28th December, same day, pound was getting weaker, so all pound pair went down. Pound Nuzi, nice, by the book entry. And then on the 29th, there was no trade. And the 30th, actually, the entry was this one here, right, way before that. And then since this pair is moving like a turtle, right? So I had to hold on to it until, like few days, right? So on the 30th, finally, I closed for 90 pip after 3 days. So this is how usually I don't trade this pair, but, I just, took this entry anyway. So, and end up paying for it, right? Now, Aussie yen here on the 30th, again, beautiful entry here, and then it went up for 70 pip. And the 31st, Euro Aussie, 7-minute chart entry here, beautiful entry, and it went down all the way to 80 pip. This was also a beautiful entry, but since I was in here, so there is no need to take this one. And then Euro Nuzi, I guess that's just the last one. And it is also for, no, it is from 20-minute chart, sell order, beautiful by the book entry. This is what the setup, this is what we need. This one, right? I missed this one and I took this one. This was a beautiful entry as well. So these are the beautiful setup that we don't want to miss. So now these are few trades, 6 of them, I guess, right? So let me show you then now this week trades, what happened this week. And this week started on the 5th. That was ended on the 1st, probably 2nd and 3rd of the 4th. Those long weekend. And then here comes 5th, January 5th. We started, actually it was 4th, the Monday, right? And we didn't have anything on Monday. But here on the 5th, it is Euro Aussie from 20-minute chart. Like I just showed you that's the setup. Again, you can see the same setup over and over again and again. Right. So, and then it is 85 pip here, right? All the way, down here. The target was this line, but I closed a little early. I always do. You never know what happens. So same scenario here as well. Not too much, but this one actually, you see, you have 200 pip here. So this one is not much, but this one all the way, because I'm having this one. This one is like a second entry. The first entry is from here all the way down up until here. There's a lot of pivots. So combine these two entries, 2 days worth is 200 pip. This was on the 4th. Yeah, so Monday was 4th. So this was an entry on the 4th, and then the 5th. Now pound CAD on the 5th, again, 60 pip, not much, but something is better than nothing, right? On the Euro Nuzi, 20-minute on the 5th, right? It is from the computer, but yeah, same sell order. Again, you can see this setup. I just showed you exactly same thing. Let me just show you again. The same thing happened. You see here, the same thing, right? And not only this one that I'm talking about, this one, see how similar it is. The price dropped below the wave, yellow is below the black, and this indicator all the way up, and blue turned red, boom, I opened the trade. And watch this one, same thing, right? Drop here, yellow, blue, and they are completely different pairs, by the way. They're not the same. Don't think that they're the same. The entry is similar, very, very similar, right? So that's if you just learn this setup, that and they show up almost one time on each pair every night. So if you can catch 2 or 3, that's it, and then going to the upside, just the opposite, right? Yellow is above the black. This indicates all the way down. Red turns blue. Boom. You open the trade of the USD for 125 pip from here to here, and keep going. Now here your USD again, entry here in a couple of days worth, and only 770 pip. And on the 6th, Euro Aussie, same scenario again. You can see that same thing, same setup exactly. This one and this one, both. What's the difference here? You see that? So this is, if you just master this, understand this and master this, and then open 4 or 5 pairs only, and then hunt for these setups. And I have the alarm which beeps when the price is going into the wave right here somewhere, and this indicates all the way up, the alarm start beeping. Alarm start beeping here, right there. This is the alarm, right? So as soon as you see the alarm, you just be ready and open the trade after a couple of red candles you see, and then boom, you open the trade, put your SL there. SL is always 25 pip. All right, so this is how it is. So if your SL hit, you hit, it's 25 pip, and if it goes in your way, then you get a nice decent amount of pippage, right? And here, this one, see, on the 6th, again, the same scenario. This was a beautiful entry, but this is the one that I took here. See this, hit my entry here. Blue candle turned red, was coming down, price into the wave, yellow below the black, and this indicator is all the way up, turning to the downside. Sell order here. Simple, simple. And with the help of the alarm, it becomes very easy. Here, same scenario. This is on the 8th. I think on the 8th, this is the only one from 7-minute chart. I took Euro USD here, only here, because there was nothing on 7, and that's on the only one on the 8th I saw. Here I broke my own rule, my 5th rule for this. There's an extra rule for the 7-minute setup. Basically, there are 4 rules, right, for 20-minute setup and 7-minute, but 7-minute has one more extra rule, that this yellow and black, they both has to be below the red. Means this was a proper entry according to my rules, but this one was like a 20-minute entry basically, and it worked out, right? So I was kind of like, what the heck, man, let's take it, something, right? So I just took it. And between 7th and 8th, that's the only trade I had. The market just went down kaput. So these are the trades the last week and this week. I hope you enjoyed and understand that if it's very easy if you learn. That's it. Learning is the key. So if you are you're willing to learn, first of all, if you are doing good, then don't even bother. Okay, stop this video and keep doing whatever you're doing. The idea is to make something, right? Make some pips. And if you are doing for whatever the style or the strategy you're using, that's it. Don't try to fix until it's broken, right? So if it's working, keep it up. But if it's not, and you are you're looking for something that works, then try this one, understand it. Come on, I can come on board and I can teach you. Whoops. And even if you have to, then you can go and take a one-on-one course if you are not familiar of this forex trading too much. So understand one time, and then that's it. You will be flying with this strategy. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful, a very safe weekend.